Welcome to the magical world of science. Today, we're going to explore the mysterious world of solids, liquids, and gases. I'm Miss Ray, and I'm thrilled to be joined by a very curious scientist in the making, Kaira.
Hi, Miss Ray. I'm excited to learn about solids, liquids, and gases.
Great, let's start by thinking about the things around us. Can you name something that's a solid?
A rock is a solid, right?
Exactly. Solids, like rocks, keep their shape unless we do something like bend or break them. Now, what about a liquid?
Water is a liquid. It can be in a cup or a bottle.
Perfect. Liquids take the shape of the container they're in. And what about a gas?
Oh, like the air we breathe?
Yes, air is a mixture of gases, mostly nitrogen and oxygen. Gases spread out to fill the space around them. Now, let's think like scientists. Have you ever seen bubbles?
Yes, I love blowing bubbles.
When you blow bubbles, the air inside is a gas. The bubble itself is a thin layer of liquid. Isn't that cool?
That's so interesting. So bubbles have both liquid and gas.
Exactly. Now let's do a little experiment. Imagine Sophia and Marcus making a gas called carbon dioxide. They use vinegar and bicarbonate of soda. What do you think happens?
Do they make bubbles?
Yes, the bubbles are filled with carbon dioxide gas, and if they pour this gas onto a candle, the flame goes out. Why do you think that happens?
Maybe because the candle needs something else to burn.
You're right. The candle needs oxygen to burn, not carbon dioxide. Now, let's talk about sorting. If you had a magnifying glass and some materials, how would you sort them into solids and liquids?
I would look closely and maybe touch them to see if they keep their shape or flow.
That's a great approach. Sorting is also called classifying. And when we classify, we're doing a type of scientific inquiry. Do you know which one?
Is it identifying and classifying?
Spot on! Now, let's think about safety. Why is it important to be careful when doing experiments?
So we don't get hurt or make a mess.
Exactly. Safety is super important in science. Now, can you name 2 examples of solids, liquids, and gases?
Sure, solids like wood and metal, liquids like milk and oil, and gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide.
Fantastic! You've learned so much today. Can you summarize what you've learned?
I learned that solids keep their shape, liquids take the shape of their container, and gases spread out. We also talked about bubbles and how to stay safe in experiments.
Wonderful! Thank you for joining the magical world of science. Keep being curious, and remember, there's always more to discover in science.